Students, now let us do part D given on page number 16, something to know. Answer the following questions in brief. Students, here brief means short. You have to give the answers in short. Number 1 question is, state the function of a leaf. Children, as we have discussed on page number 12, just see a picture. We all now know the functions of different parts of the plant. So, we also know about the leaf, that it makes food for the plant. Students, green leaves are basically the food factory of a plant. Plants make their food with water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. But students, here need not to give much detail. Just write your answer in this way, that leaf makes food for the plant. Leaf makes food for the plant. Question number 2. Write the role of the roots of a tree. Roots have several purposes. They hold the plant in the ground and keep it upright. They take water and food from the soil. They also store food for the plant. But the answer to this question is that the roots of a tree are very deep. They can therefore absorb water from deeper parts of the soil. Again I am repeating, the roots of a tree are very deep. They can therefore absorb water from the deeper parts of the soil. Question number 3. What type of stem do climbers have? Students, again see this picture and try to give the answer. Good. Climbers have very weak and thin stem. They cannot stand and grow straight on their own. They need support to climb up. So, the answer to this question is that climbers have very weak and thin stem. Again I am repeating that climbers have very weak and thin stem. Your last question is, state the difference between the stem of a shrub and a herb. Children, see this picture and please remember how to write the answer for this question. See how to start. The difference between the stem of a shrub and a herb is, you have to draw a line in a center. On one side you have to write shrub and on the other side you have to write herb. Here we have to talk about stem only, nothing else. First one is your shrub. Its stem is woody but is not as strong as trees. And the next is herb. It has thin and green stem and is not woody. Students, as I have discussed all the questions with you, you have to write all the answers in the book only.